Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarscles TV. You got me, Mark, and welcome to another reaction video. And we will be featuring our very own talents here in the Philippines. So it is the night time and the right time for love in the dark. If you know that song, please click like. Anyway, this came across the my feed, and the group is known as, it's read, if you read it directly, it's Vivink PH, but I think it's Wink stylized with two V's, but I don't know. Let me know in the comment because Wink makes sense. Vivink, I'm not sure. Or maybe Vivinka. Anyway, it's cool. It looks, it seems catchy. And the song that we will be listening and reacting to is entitled Pag-ibig Fun. Pag-ibig in English is love. Before anything else, let's show support by subscribing to the group. And before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go in 3, 2, 1. Oops, it already played. I actually play it before the recording just so that it has already buffered, so that I can play it at a better resolution without any interruptions as we play. But it's in mute, so I haven't heard this song technically. So again, let's give it a go in 3, 2, 1.
Fun, 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 fun. Pag-ibig fun, 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 fun. Pag-ibig fun. Masaya sa palagi ang iyong sinabi na gusto naman natin ang isa't isa. Kinikilig pa rin kahit na mag-isa. Hindi okay yung parang okay lang. Gusto ko kumpleto, hindi kulang. Yung tipo na palaging kulang at di basta-basta lang. Ang pag-ibig mo ay fun, 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 fun. 'Cause I'm your only one. Fun, fun, fun. Tara na't mag-enjoy. I-share ang puso sa pag-ibig natin. Ang pag-ibig ko ay fun, 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 fun. 'Cause I'm your only one, 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 one. Tara na't mag-enjoy. I-share ang iyong puso sa pag-ibig nating fun, fun, fun. Better spend your time with me, yo. Imbes na para lang sa'yo, sasamahan mo ba akong alibutin ng mundo? I don't want to travel alone. It's hard to be on my own. Basta kasama ka at palagi ka lang nandun. Hindi okay yung parang okay lang. Gusto ko kumpleto, hindi kulang. Yung tipo na palaging cool lang at di basta-basta lang. Ang pag-ibig ko ay fun, 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 fun.
Excuse me. And that is the end of the song. Pasensya na, there are, it's still, what do you call that? Yung abruptly, nagpo-pause-pause pa din siya. And, uh, hindi ko ma-take eh. I had to lower the, yung video quality. So if you would like to watch it without any interruptions, you can search for the title, or you can get the link in the description of my reaction video. This one, tingnan natin if it's in the description. When I saw this logo, the first thing that came to mind was Flip Music. Pero let's see. Kasi usually Flip Music, 'di ba, mga ano din, mga MC, mga rapper. Pero just to be sure, let's see if there's any information sa description. Pero as we do that, ayan, ito na siya. Blah blah blah. So the composers are, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 who collaborated in composing the song. Okay. Oo nga, no? So it's Flip Music. Cool. It's refreshing kasi normally yung when I see Flip Music, mostly yung mga MCs who's doing those battle. Uh, yan, and not more on the this one is more of the like a P-pop girl group, and very young. They look very young para sa akin, like as young as mid-teens, I think. Baka nasa senior high pa tong mga to. So yan, very youthful, bubbly. Tapos yung it jives with the way they dress, very colorful. Even yung themes, tapos yung parang the video has filters like yung mga outlines and those nice colorful stuff. Kaya parang medyo dreamy na magical yung vibe niya. Tapos even the location, there's this one looks like, I'm not sure pero it looks like Star City. Meron pa bang Star City? Parang na age reveal bigla. Or maybe EK, yeah, EK or ayan. Tapos there's this scene sa parang sa football stage or parang sa school. Let me know in the comments kung saan yung school kasi it looks very spacious kasi yung field pa lang nila, di ba? Tapos there are 5 of them, tapos you can see no color distinction. Tapos even yung personality nila, there's someone na parang may pagka-cosplayer yung dating with the blue hair, or even yung naka ano yun ko, burgundy ba yun? Ayun, again, youthful no? Kaya very dynamic yung ano nila. Pero from a vocal perspective, what I like about them, there was a part where it's rap. Ngayon, in most girl groups that I have watched, parang all of them can sing yung parang like love song style, yung diva style, pero there are some distinction among them. Kaya kumbaga sa 5 na to, may dalawang rapper or isa lang yung rapper nila, tapos meron isa sa kanila na parang talaga yung pambiritan, yung there are yung mga distinct skills. Sa kanila, what I like about them, I think there were 2 or 3 na nag-rap. Tapos, even when they are rapping, you can still distinguish their voice. Kasi iba yung the way they, kumbaga yung Tagalog, yung bitaw, yung pagbitaw ng mga salita nila, or para man natin sabihin yung English, the way they lay down yung beat, yung words to the beat, yung the way they jive, yan. O basta, there's that distinct, you can still distinguish them even when 2 or more of them are doing rap. Pero yun nga it has this wholesome feel no? Yung the video and the song. I even saw sa comment section, there was one who said na, I saw this in TikTok, and because of that, yung person na yon, she or he watched them dito sa YouTube. And I agree. May ano eh, may parang may pagka-viral yung video because of its visual appeal, tapos yung the wholesome appearance, the wholesome music, catchy na tone. I can even say na dare say na yung song na to, yung parang ano siya, yung pang promote ng bansa, yung it's like a something that you can use to promote tourism or something. Yung parang Hello Philippines, parang ganun, or Only in the Philippines, mga ganung level. That kind of level of yung music nila and yung virality nung tune. Very catchy, di ba? Tapos yun nga, di ba, pag-ibig fun, it's really like they are really like throwing that positive vibe. So as always, this is because this is my first time seeing them. I would love to see them perform then live. Para tingnan natin if it's the same energy level they're putting out sa live performance as compared dito sa video. For now, that's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. This, by the way, are the stuff you can do to show loving sa ating channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicos TV. Sharing is caring. And most importantly, stay safe, everyone. See you on the next video. Bye bye.